The fast die casting machine adopts Taiwan FADEC control system and wine view touch screen. The Zinc Ally die casting machine has 1 out of 6 design, fast placement, automatic feeding into the mold. After die casting, the vertical die casting machine can automatically move to deburring position, then trim and deburring automatically. The equipment is equipped with Japanese SMC mold closing detection device. The single head heating pipe with imported technology is easy to repair and replace.